Hey, so it's a beautiful day, and I just wanted to come on and share a few things. Number one, there are a few pieces of content that are out there that may benefit you if you are actively attempting to break cycles of screaming, spanking, overwhelm, and mom guilt. If you were raised one way, but you are attempting to parent your child very differently, you're still trying to, of course, parent them and guide them, but you are attempting to do so from peace, from compassion, from gentleness, but it might feel hard and difficult to do so because you may not have experienced that consistently as a child yourself. Then yes, I have some long form content that is jam-packed with simple, practical game plans that are very easy to implement, that make it to where self-regulation is not just something we're attempting to do when we're triggered in the heat of the moment, but is actually something that self-regulation actually becomes like your lifestyle, right? I have two long-form pieces of content from today alone. One is on my Substack. The link to that is in my bio. Substack is a free subscription where you get content, and then also there is more extended and in-depth content available for those who are part of the paid Substack subscription. And then, of course, my Parenting from Peace Now program, which it feels weird to call it a program because really we're just a team of parents coming together with similar intentions and who are supporting each other, empowering each other, and getting results as we go. Right? But that's Parenting from Peace Now. That a 7-day free trial for that is available, the link in my bio. That also gives you access to workshops that I hold weekly. The next one is coming up on Saturday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah, so there's a 50-minute video that just went up on Substack, and then also there is a 50 or 58-minute video that is like one of the first of about 5 for this week that's going to go out to those who are in the Parenting from Peace Now program. But really, it's a team. A team of parents who are just out here in the trenches, just like everybody else, breaking cycles every day, practicing every day to show up as our favorite version of ourselves every day, setting intentions, staying committed, practicing to be gentle on ourselves above all else, So that's all available for you. It's all out there. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, DM me. I'm sending you tons and tons of love. Keep shining. And if there was one last thing that I would share with you today, what would it be? You are worthy. Period. You are worthy. Is there anything else? Anything you want in this world, you can have. Anything you want to do or be in this world, you can do or be it. Furthermore, I would even go so far as to say that if you want it, it's your destiny. Stop doubting yourself. Even if it looks impossible, it's not. Stop doubting yourself. Have faith. Keep going. And don't let whatever's happening in the world stop you from laughing and playing and having fun every day. Keep shining. Your light benefits others. Keep going.